This video will highlight all the key features you need to know about the Procolored F13 Pro Panda DTF printer. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this printer in the description below for the latest price. Now, let's get into what makes this machine stand out and also where you might need to be cautious. The F13 Pro Panda is an upgraded version of Procolored's previous F13 model, and the improvements are very noticeable. It comes with dual XP600 print heads, giving you an industrial-grade printing experience right from your workspace. That means if you're working on high-demand printing projects, whether for a small business or more frequent production needs, this machine is built to handle the load. The upgraded hardware not only improves speed but also ensures consistency, which is crucial when you're working with custom designs or detailed graphics. One of the main highlights is the white ink circulation system. Anyone who's worked with DTF printers knows how easily white ink can clog, but this model uses automatic circulation and stirring to keep the ink smooth and ready for use. Combined with its siphon filtration system, the printer avoids issues like ink breakdown and extends the lifespan of the ink pathway. What this means in practice is less downtime, less wasted ink, and more reliable results over long runs. That's a big plus for anyone printing at scale. Another standout is the dual print head array. This setup allows you to print an A3 design in just about 3 to 4 minutes, which is significantly faster than many older models. On top of speed, it delivers excellent resolution up to 2800 by 1400 dpi, so you don't have to sacrifice quality for productivity. The prints come out with vibrant color, sharp details, and high saturation, which really makes designs pop on transfer film. If you're producing merchandise or apparel, that's exactly what you want. Film management is also smarter on this model. The rolling design lets you print continuously without having to stop and reload film, while the cutter and tray system helps reduce waste by letting you cut exactly where you need. This saves both material and money, and in a production environment, those savings add up quickly. Of course, no machine is perfect. While the Procolored F13 Pro Panda offers high-end performance, it does come with a learning curve. Beginners may find the initial setup and maintenance a bit overwhelming, especially if they've never used a DTF printer before. Regular cleaning is still essential, even with the semi-automatic features, to keep the nozzles in good shape. Also, it's not the cheapest option out there, so it's more suitable for serious users who want reliable long-term results rather than occasional hobbyists. On the bright side, Procolored does back this printer with a solid warranty, 6 months on one print head and a year on other accessories, along with 24/7 customer support.